and Mama family. Ice cream.
I forgot something. Time to steal. Perfect.
Honey, milk, apples.
Where are my goods? They're stolen.
Yum, yum, yummy. Hi.
Hello.
Excuse me. Milkshake, please.
I'm sorry, but I don't have milk.
Idea. Wait here.
Okay. See you.
Cow gives milk. Milk.
No.
Wow! Idea! There you go! Try it!
Oh, I love it!
Open, open!
Thank you.
Milk!
Good job.
Thank you! Strawberry.
Yummy. Come on. Milkshake is ready.
Chubby!
Hi, can I have one apple juice for Adam?
Nom.
All my apples were stolen.
I know what to do. Adam, let's get some apples.
Uh-huh. 1. Wow-wee! 2.
We need more.
Okay. 3.
Ah, one more.
Thank you.
4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
It's full. Let's go.
Let's go!
We brought some apples.
I will make the best apple juice for you. Let's start. Done. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Oh. Yum, yum!
See you again.
Bye-bye.
Wow! Hello. Can I please have honey ice cream?
Maybe if you bring me honey, I could make you ice cream.
Okay. Apiary. This is a beehive. It definitely has honey inside.
Yes. Let's check it out. Stop. Huh? Don't touch our honey.
Oh no! I need a plan. Idea! Just what I need.
And who do we have here?
This is for you.
Wow! For me?
Yes.
Thank you.
Can you share some honey with me, please?
Sure. Be my guest.
Yay! honey!
Bon appetit!
Thank you.
Wow! Can I have Oreo ice cream with sprinkles? If your baby plays sprinkles, I can do it for you. I will find. Let's go! Sprinkle machine!
Cake, chocolate, lollipop.
Come on! I got sprinkles. Wait a minute. And sprinkles. It looks so cool. Yummy, yummy. It's done. Wow. Delicious. Bye bye. Gotcha! Thief! I will call the police. Please forgive me, just don't call the police. Okay. I have an idea. Come on. I will never steal again. It's time for dinner, bath, and sleep.
No.
What a cute baby!
Let's take him to us.
Oh no! Oliver, where are you? Oliver! Oliver! Huh? Hi, Oliver! Don't be afraid. I'm Cardboard Mom. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
It's time for dinner. Please, come.
Okay.
Let's start. Onion, tomato, mushroom.
It's
Yummy.
Yippee! 1, 2, 3, 4.
Enjoy my little cupcake.
No. No yummy.
In the cardboard world, cardboard food.
Yeah.
Would you like chips?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Yum yum. I want to go.
I still a lot of food for you.
No.
Hello. Oliver, I think it's bath time.
Okay.
First, brush your teeth.
Let's go! Peekaboo! Oh no!
Do you like ducks?
Yes.
Okay.
It's broken.
Water time.
No water.
That's how we shower in the cardboard world.
Okay.
Let's wash.
I don't like it. Stop. No.
You forgot to dry out.
Mommy.
Let's get used to cardboard look.
Okay.
Come on, Oliver. Come on.
Here you go. Out.
Huh? Don't you like the cardboard comb?
No.
Watch.
Yeah. Cup.
Much better.
Whoa.
Cardboard suits you so well.
I know.
Come.
Uh-huh.
Now, let's choose some clothes for you.
Okay.
This one?
No.
This one?
No.
I know what to do. Look! What do you think about this?
Yeah. It looks so cool.
Yay! You look so pretty.
No. I don't like it.
Oliver, where are you going?
Daddy.
Oliver, are you tired?
Uh-huh.
Come here.
Yes, you go.
Let's watch the book.
Yay! What?
In the cardboard world, there are not pictures in the books.
Okay.
Close your eyes, Oliver. It's time to sleep.
Bye-bye. Good night. No, comfort.
Get used to it. You are here forever now.
I want to Manami. I want to eat.
And then bath and sleep?
Yes.
See you soon. Welcome to Trampoline Park.
Open. What's this?
Hello. Hi. Adam, we have a visitor.
One trampoline ticket, please.
Okay. Come with me, please.
Okay.
Let's check your weight. Oh no! You're too heavy.
Just a minute.
That's better. You can go. Oh no!
I'm sorry.
Adam, please bring me a tape.
Okay.
Thank you.
Come on, let's go.
Done.
Oh, I'm sorry. Bye-bye.
Bye.
One ticket, please.
Okay.
Come on.
But first, I need to check your height. Come on. This one.
Oh, no. What's over there?
Huh? What? I don't see anything.
So, is my height okay?
Yes. You can go? You cheated. You are not allowed to be here.
I'm sorry. I just really wanted to jump on the trampolines.
Tornado is coming.
Oh.
My trampolines are flying away.
Don't worry. I will help you.
You saved our park.
I'm always here to help. Bye-bye. Hi, I want to jump on the trampolines.
No sharp objects allowed on the trampoline.
Okay.
Wow.
There you go.
Thank you. Choose any you want.
This one. I'm tired now.
I'm hungry. Idea. I can't open.
I can help you.
Huh? Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye-bye. So yummy.
It's big.
Green, blue, red.
Birthday. Mommy. For mommy. Hey!
Oliver?
Happy birthday! This is for you. Wow!
What a beautiful bunny! Thank you, Oliver. But my birthday is not today.
Oopsie. Daddy.
Yay!
Yes!
Finally!
Oh no!
Fishing didn't go well today.
For Daddy. Happy birthday!
Huh?
What? It's for me?
Yeah.
It's a fisherman dream.
Hello? Yeah!
Wait, but my birthday is not today.
Uh-oh.
Roma!
Nice fish.
Help me.
You can be free. 1, 2, 3. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
I wish I had a real skateboard.
Okay. Yes! This is for Roma. Roma, happy birthday! What's that?
Incredible! Thank you! Time to play!
It's first.
Okay! Oliver, but today is not my birthday.
Huh? Jana! Yeah!
Let's go! Whee!
Oh! La 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 la.
Yellow!
La 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 la.
I love dogs so much!
I know, it's Papi. For Diana. Happy birthday!
Huh? Thank you! But Oliver, today is not my birthday.
Adam! Bye-bye!
You're so beautiful.
Huh?
Could you please decorate Adam's present?
Okay.
Great job, Oliver! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Adam! Happy birthday to you!
Open the present.
Thank you!
Welcome, everyone!
Come on, come on.
Yes, let's go. Hi there. Hello.
What is this? Lollipops were made 1,000 years ago. I didn't know. So beautiful.
Hello?
Hey.
It's a lollipop.
Come on!
Red.
Okay.
Strawberry. Thank you.
Oliver, do you like it?
Yeah.
Interesting. What's next? What's your favorite candy?
Chocolate.
Okay. Great job! Yay!
Uh-oh. It's easy. Yes.
Oh, fantastic!
Do you want to play?
Yeah!
Oliver! Come on! Banana. Yes. Yeah! Yeah! Woohoo!
Welcome. Come on!
Wow! Interesting.
Thank you.
Yo, take a look at this.
Let's check. Wow! Yummy! Lunchtime! So cool! Thank you! You're welcome! So yummy! I like it! Wow!
Yum yum.
What's this? Peekaboo! Come on, Oliver.
Okay, Mommy.
Next step. It looks so cool. Let's start. No, 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 no.
Oh no!
Look.
Much better.
Play it.
Wow! Yeah!
Very nice.
Huh?
Uh-oh.
Time to play! Come on, Oliver.
Okay. Yummy, yummy.
Bon appetit! Wow! So yummy!
It's spicy.
My plan. Come on.
Need to find the candies.
Let's go.
Hello.
Yeah. Peekaboo. Come on. Whee!
Hmm.